Good afternoon, folks. It's Brian Paragamian, Senior Trader, co-founder, ProfessionalStockTraderLive.com. How are you doing this afternoon? I appreciate you taking the time to watch this closing commentary for, what is it, Thursday, April 2nd. Well, the Dow Jones closed up 216 points. We were up as much as, I think it was 310 points I saw it. Well, as you know, we came on mid-morning commentary and we talked about being long FAZ, Frank Apple Zebra, which is bearish, triple bearish of financials. We talked about being short BK. We closed them out at the end of the day. Now, our members realize this and found this out, but of course, you don't know that, so maybe if you acted on what we talked about, you're still in these bearish financial positions. Unfortunately, I hope it works out for you, but we closed these positions out. And the reason why we did is if you go ahead and take a look at your chart, we traded as high as 8,075 here earlier in the day. Well, when we pulled them back down to the 79.90 area, the FAZ was trading up at 1839. Well, if you go ahead and then look, you saw a rally back up into the double top area of 8,075. And then when they pulled them back down and started taking out that 79.90 area, falling all the way down to 79.40, FAZ only got up as high as 17.98. So what did that tell you? That told you right there that you weren't seeing the relative weakness in the banks that you had earlier in the day. When I saw that, I said, wait a minute. I don't want out. I don't want to take any undue risk overnight. So that's exactly what we did. Regardless of what the jobs report was going to be, regardless of what Research in Motion report was going to be, we decided to do the prudent thing, get out, go flat. We did take small profits on our BK Bank of New York short, and we did take a small profit on our FAZ long. That's what the name of the game is. Take profits while you have them, bank them while you have them, and don't take any undue risk, and that's what we did. We closed out all our bearish financial positions. We're flat that overnight. We're flat the whole market overnight, as a matter of fact. The Dow closing up 216 points, the Composite closing up 51 points, the banks closed up 52 cents, the retailers had a real nice day up over 12 points, the semiconductors had a real nice day up over 10 points. A lot of this on the heels of FASB, allowing the banks to value some of their assets in a favorable manner. A lot of this having to do with some great things coming out of G20. All in all, a real nice day on Wall Street. The breadth was real nice, 2,600 to the good, slightly less than 400 to the negative. Again, as I continue to say, we're going to respect tape action, and we're going to take our shots here at day trading as well as swing trading. The one thing I do want to say is, we're into the first couple days of April, and this might be, as much as you get here on the short term. We were at a plus 170 on the McClellan Oscillator heading into today, which is overbought, slightly not real overbought, but after today I can only imagine we're going to start getting up into the very overbought territory. So again, tomorrow, irrespective of the jobs reports, in fact, I prefer to see a better than expected job reports because I like to see them gap the market open tomorrow. Then I'd like to lean into them and hit them again. Exactly what area, I'm not sure. I may look to short the financials again. Now, on the other hand, if we get a bad jobs report and they gap this market down early tomorrow, I'm going to look to see how the banks are acting. If some of the banks are acting well, I may look to get long the banks. So you can kind of see how I'm flexible on where I'm willing to trade, based on if we open higher or lower. Now, the one spot, and speaking of Research in Motion, they did come out with their earnings better than expected. They gave upward guidance. The stock is trading up over $9 right now in aftermarket activity. The NASDAQ futures are trading at, where are they, 1301. The cash went out at 1294, so you've got them going up a little bit, as well as the S&P futures are trading around 836 with about 2 points of premium. So RIM is up $9, which is probably going to lend some stability to the technology area. Now again, we're going to watch and see. If some of the tech stocks aren't really acting that well and it's just a Research in Motion rally there, then we're going to look to short some of them. Again, you have to assess the situation, see what the market gives you. That's exactly what we like to do. The one area that did get slammed today was gold. I told you I've been bearish gold here in a big way. I still am bearish gold. I think it's one of the best investments of 2009 and 2010 to be bearish and short gold. The one thing now, despite my saying that, I'm going to tell you tomorrow, I am going to look at quite potentially getting long Agnico Eagle Mines, which is one of my favorite gold stocks, if I get the right setup. Now, if we can see gold take out the lows of the day from today, and we can get AEM holding yesterday's lows, I may be very very moved into buying AEM for a day trade tomorrow. Again, this is just something I'm sharing with you out loud. Again, if you're a member of ours, you'll know exactly what we're doing. You get our swing trade alerts. You'll see us doing our live day trading every day on our daily live webcast. You'll be able to hear us talk about technical analysis, about the economy. You'll be able to ask questions. So I don't know what you're waiting for. You see us come to you every day, giving you a lot of great trading ideas, a lot of great investment ideas. Take advantage of our 3-day free trial. Our members really are enjoying what we're offering them. And again, this is only $10.99 per month. In fact, a couple days ago, and in fact, yesterday, we talked about buying HES and Freeport-McMoRan. Both trades worked out splendidly yesterday and carried forward into today. One of our newer members said he made enough money on our HES swing trade to pay for our service to $2,029. I don't know how much he traded or how much he took out of it, but anyways, that's really absolutely fabulous. I love hearing stuff like that, and that's what I hope one day you can say to me. Send me a message saying, hey, you know what, Brian, I made a lot of money and I can pay for your service for the next 20 years. Anyways, folks, I appreciate you tuning in. Please take advantage of our 3-day free trial. You've got nothing to lose, as I continue to say, other than time and money. Thanks for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow morning if we've got time in the AM pre-open. I appreciate you watching this video here, and have yourselves a great evening. Again, Research in Motion had very good numbers, and the stock is trading up here, $9 in aftermarket activity, as I said, and the futures are following right along with it. So depending upon, again, on what the jobs number is tomorrow, and depending upon what's acting good and what's not acting good, higher open, lower open in the overall market will determine where we trade. I wish I could give you a little more insight right now on what to look for, but right now I don't have a whole lot to go on because I want to first see what the jobs report is. Have yourselves a great evening.